Yo, what's up, guys? Rocks here, back with a Osamason tutorial. This beat is called Stream. I actually made this on my stream that I did yesterday. I want to definitely do more streaming because I actually got some people to tune in, got a couple of subs, cooked up some heat, so definitely want to do more of that. But I am a college student, so that's always my number one priority. So when you look my channel, you'll see that there's gaps like 2 weeks to like a month maybe where I haven't been posted. That's because I'm locking in on exams and IRL stuff. But anyway, we got this Osamason type beat here. I'm just going to break down how I made this. We're in 146 BPM. I'll go ahead and show you all the master first. So we got the fresh air preset. Uh, you can get this. This makes the mix a little bit better. And then I got the mid turned up to 2.6, high to 5.5. And then we got the default soft clipper on there. Gotta have that. And then for the limiter, I turned the attack, the release, and the sustain down. And then what I did is I turned up the gain. This is how you get that like distortion effect. I finally like figured this out. You want to turn the gain up and then bring down the ceiling because basically like you're increasing the gain so your sound's trying to get past the ceiling, but it can't because you lowered it. So that's what gives it the distorted effect. Like, I don't really know like the entire science behind it, but that's how I kind of understand it. So we got that, and then we got this pluck here. Let's see, pluck in serum. I actually made this pluck from scratch. That's that there. I'll just go through this real quick. You guys want to copy that? Go ahead. Yeah, the easy guys here. It's at 29, that's at 30, that's at 40. I didn't touch anything here. Below 2 or 3 are the same. I changed that, and then you got those guys. Alright. And then that sounds like this. This is the pattern we got going here. So nothing really complicated. If I remember correctly, this beat should be in like G sharp major or something like that, man. I don't even remember. But yeah, that's that pluck. And then we got this second sound here. I also made this as well. Um, so we got that on the FX here. We got distortion, hyper, some delay, a little bit of reverb. And all we got is this. Then touch global. Nothing there. All the LFOs are the same, so that's that. And then what it sounds like. There's something to spice up the beat, give it a more, dark vibe, what we're going for, and other Osamason stuff. And then we got this other pluck here. I also made this pluck as well. I just use like the stock waves that goes in Serum most of the time, but you can definitely find waves with kits, especially ones made by like Iconic and stuff like that. But we got this envelope one here, envelope two like so, envelope one like that. And these are like the same. And then in FX, so we got hyper distortion, and so, and then I kind of just use it as a lead, but it's a pluck. And then to get that effect there you're hearing, I added this gross beat effect onto it. That's what you're hearing, that kind of like tape stop effect going on. Let me see. On the first plug I showed you guys, I had this gross beat effect on there. So, and then for everything I have here from 1 through 8 on my mixer, I took out low end and a little bit of high end for some things, not for everything, and then I didn't even EQ that or that or that. So that's cool. But yeah, let's see. On to the next thing. So here we got our like kind of ghosty kind of lead or whatever. This is actually from a hit by Scoop Flick. So you can go find him on Instagram and his YouTube channel, and you can cop that. It's free with some pretty hard sounds in it. So uh, you play that. Right, so I thought that fit the vibe I was going for, so I put that in there. And then this, I think this is another pluck. Yeah, I also made this pluck. Let's go do that real quick. Boom, boom, FX. Alright, pretty simple. Matrix, this is on 0, this is on 0. I was just messing with stuff here. I didn't actually do anything with them. Global, didn't touch anything. So when we go in here now, what I kind of did with this pluck is what I did. You can probably do with an effect, but I didn't feel like trying to figure all that out. So what I did is I clicked the little magnet here. I went into fourth step and I like placed these notes down, and then I just kept messing around and I was like, oh, you know what, this sounds kind of cool. And then I stuck with that. So here's what it sounds like. So again, nothing too crazy there. Pretty simple, in my opinion. Let's get into the next sound we got here. So once again, this cut up stash kit comes with the Inflict kit from Spook the Spliff, so you can check that out. And then got this other pattern here. I chose this sound because I was trying to go for that, like, I don't know how you say the name. Gyro, Gyro, whatever the producer's name is. I was trying to go for that sound, but it's whatever. It sounds good in here, so I kept it. And then this next sound, I use this from Analog V. You on the pads use for Padalo, however you say that. And then I just played this on G sharp every 2 bars. Yep, so once again, nothing too crazy. And then we got our last sound here. We come in Analog V. Again, we go into sound effects and we use Alien. So here, if I go over, let's see where we are up here, G7. Same thing again. Here I played every 4 bars though. Once again, just trying to give the beat more life. You know, just spice it up. Layers come in handy, all that cool stuff. Layering your beats definitely makes a difference. So let me just go over like the EQ now. So that's it for the first thing. We got that, and then that's the EQ for that guy, and then this just has that gross beat, no EQ. Didn't feel like it needed it. It says nothing. It says nothing. And then here you got a little bit of low end taken out, and then low end taken out. And the reason we take out low end is because we don't want the low end to clash with the 808s, especially because I distorted the beat here. It's definitely something you gotta pay attention to. Alright. Let's see. So we'll just move in the drums now. So these 2 808s are also from Spook the Spliff's Inflict kit that I was talking about. So let's go in here. This is basically the 808 from like Just Score It. You'll hear it, you'll see what I mean. So Once again, nothing too crazy. I just added this quick increase in octave here, give me a little more variance in the 808. And then I change 808s here. So now we have this second 808. What I do for my 808s to have them loud, I like to turn up my velocity to max. This does not work for every 808. Some 808s will make it super, super distorted. So just test that out, see how it sounds. Let me go back here. I didn't boost this at all because once again I maxed the velocity, so I didn't need it. But this one I did boost it to that value. I think what I did is I type in like this, and it gives me that value. Yep, this one. And then I'll just play that so y'all can hear it. It's the same pattern again, and then we got this hi-hat here. Once again, nothing too crazy. Maybe just go and then we roll there. And that's that. And then we got the snare. All these drums come from this. Alright, then we got this open hat. Hold simple, we got the chant in here. You know you gotta have that in the beat. So once again, this sound here, you can find this once again in Spooky Flips Kit. It's that flex laugh, and then we got my tag in here.
Cook this.
And yeah, I'll play the melody, I guess, for y'all. And then here, this little growth speed effect you see. Let me open that up. This is just like a stutter effect I like to do. I've been using it a lot. It's used mainly in like yeet beats, like lifestyle type beats too, but I added it here because I was like, you know what, let's try it out. And to me it sounded pretty good, so left it there. But I'll play the melody and the drums, and then I'll play the full beat for you guys.
Cook this.
So that sounds a lot better there. When you hear the drums, you'll see how that really comes into play. For now, I'm actually going to move this down here so we can hear it when the drums are on. So let's just do this real quick. All right. Once again, it's a little like various some spice to the beat. When I made this beat and I posted it, I forgot that I had the chant here like this. Usually the chant comes in and out, but it's already posted and it sounds pretty good to me, so I just decided, hey, I'll leave it like that. But yeah, I'll play the full beat for you guys here, man. Thank you all for watching. I got this little fade effect out here. If you don't know how to do that, you just highlight the section that you want to fade out, or mess with the volume, you right click on your master track and you click create automation clip, and then you can mess with that and you know, get that little fade out effect. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'm gonna try and lock in with beats and tutorials for a little bit, but like I said, university first. So peace out, guys.